Hello there. So you want to know how you can solve USB keeps connecting and disconnecting problem? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, let's get the basic out of the way. Simply go ahead and unplug and replug back your controller or whatever you are having problems with the USB. And if that doesn't solve it, go ahead and replug it into another USB port. And if that also doesn't solve it, then here are some steps you want to follow. So first things first, what I want you to do is simply go ahead into control panel and then go ahead and search for power options. Go ahead and click on change power saving settings. On which plan are you on? Just click on change plan settings and now click on change advanced power settings. And once you've done that, scroll all the way down until you see USB settings, USB selective, suspend settings, and go ahead and disable that right over here. Click on apply, click on OK, and that should go ahead and solve your problem. If that also doesn't solve your problem, simply go ahead and search for device manager. And once you've done that, on universal serial bus controller, whichever USB you're having a problem with, you can right click and update driver and search automatically for driver. And the other thing you can do in order to refresh is just scan for hardware changes, and there you go. That is it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.